What if I told you that at long last there's one business that sells high quality, reliable construction equipment like this and can look after all your maintenance, service and repairs for just about every make and model of equipment out there, and that can come to your job site for fast on-site field service and spares, all from the one business. Pretty good, huh? Hi, I'm Mark Cowling and welcome to ESM. Equipment Services and Machinery are well positioned to support businesses in southeast Queensland with the sales of quality portable equipment and machinery for the civil, construction and hire industries, including excavators, dumpers, telehandlers, pumps, industrial air compressors, concreting equipment, portable and industrial generators and much more. And how's this? We have an on-site dig pit so you can try the new Wackeneusen excavators right here. And when it comes to service, breakdowns, repairs and maintenance for all types of equipment and machinery, ESM has you covered. And not just for some brands, we look after all of them. Oh, and if you need an urgent repair, we'll start your repair the same day, guaranteed. Just ask about our priority repair service. We're also trusted service agents for Wackeneusen, Cromlands Machinery, Husqvarna Construction Products and Wagner Equipment. Need a hand with finance? No problems. We can help you get into the right equipment fast. On top of that, our unique ESM service packages will eliminate the need to use your cash for repairs, servicing, spare parts and more down the track. Make sure you find out more about this when you get a moment. You know, working with ESM is really easy. To find out more, you can just give us a call on 07 3607 3311. Or you can make a booking at a time that suits you from your mobile, your tablet or computer. Click the link below to find out more. Thanks for watching.